Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. How to use Ajwain to shed stubborn fat quickly. Ajwain, carom seeds, is known for its potential health benefits, including aiding digestion and boosting metabolism, which can support fat loss. Here are some effective ways to use Ajwain to target stubborn fat. Number 1. Ajwain water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Ajwain, 1 cup water. Method: soak Ajwain seeds in water overnight. Strain and drink the water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Benefit: boosts metabolism, aids digestion, and reduces bloating. Number 2. Ajwain tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Ajwain, half a teaspoon honey, 1 cup water. Method: boil Ajwain seeds in water for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, add honey, and drink. Benefit: acts as a detox, supports fat burning, and suppresses appetite. Number 3. Ajwain with lemon and honey. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Ajwain powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 lemon. Method: mix Ajwain powder with honey and lemon juice in lukewarm water. Consume daily in the morning. Benefit: enhances fat breakdown and boosts energy levels. Number 4. Roasted Ajwain as a snack. Method: dry roast Ajwain seeds and eat a pinch after meals. Benefit: improves digestion and reduces fat accumulation. Number 5. Ajwain and fennel detox drink. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Ajwain, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 liter water. Method: boil both seeds in water, let it cool, and drink throughout the day. Benefit: reduces water retention and improves metabolic rate. Tips for best results. Combine Ajwain usage with a calorie-controlled diet and regular exercise. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Avoid consuming Ajwain in excess. Stick to 1 to 2 teaspoons daily to prevent potential side effects like acidity.